Hello everyone, I am Diego. This is me reported a bug. I'm getting ignored by Antropic, so this is what actually happens. As you see, I should have like 4 chats in Cloud. I also use Cloud Code, but right now, obviously, I'm not using. This is 1 p.m. I asleep. I should see my PC to work. I contact Antropic like for almost a week and say, hey, I have an issue that what is my issue? Okay. My issue is all my tokens, okay, from all my models are getting used by by me. Well, and you will say, okay, this means you have a session open and maybe someone is using your no. This is just my laptop, my main PC, and my phone. Okay, no one is using it, and I'm sure no one is using it because I check. I also change passwords, have everything, remove tokens, etc. This keep happens. What happens? The things which happen is my cloud is like the current session is getting used, and all my models, Fable and other ones, are getting used, but not by me. So what happens is, I'm sure no one is using, like, this is not a hack. I'm not getting hacked or robbed. This is an issue in Antropic servers. I didn't find the fix, but I think today I probably find what happens and understand. Okay, I try everything. I disable almost everything you can disable in Antropic. I disable everything. Then we'll talk about this. I disabled Cloud in Chrome because the first thing I thought was maybe this extension for Chrome is the issue, because when I have new windows open in my browser, maybe they read the whole window and use my data, but no, I have no skills. I disconnect everything. I remove everything from my account. But this is what happens, okay? This is Cloud Code, okay? These are Cloud Code sessions. All these sessions are mine. As you see, there is session with 6 days ago because are my sessions. What is the issue? What happens? The issue is one of these sessions, I don't know which one, is bugged. These tokens, okay, are from the Antropic server side. Okay, this is our copies of Antropic server side. And the issue I think I have, oh shit, what do I do? Sorry. The issue I think that happens is Antropic keep a session thinking in the server. Okay, in Antropic servers, one of my Cloud Code sessions didn't finish correctly, and they loop. You know, if you read about EA, you know, a loop is like something the EAs used to think. They instead choose prompting, like you send a prompt. What the EA do is the EA do a loop with your prompt. They ask it again and again and again until they find the solution. But what happens? The things happens here is Antropic probably I delete one session here or 2 sessions here before I start recording to test if this works, and these sessions maybe take 5-10 minutes to disappear after you delete it. So outside of these sessions, I have before I have like 2 or 3 sessions more. Okay, the thing is probably one of these sessions here, or maybe the one I delete, on the server side, see, of Cloud, that session keep looping non-stop, and that thing use all my current session of my max X file. Like, listen, I use mainly Cloud for coding, so I also help Cloud in my work with IDA because I work as reverse engineer in cybersecurity. Probably the thing is, what happens is they literally have that shit bucket that eat all my tokens while I was sleeping. I sent emails. I opened a ticket to Antropic and everything. No one answered and give me a solution. So is maybe this is the fault, because why all my tokens get used while I'm literally sleeping or not at PC? Probably is cause of this. If not, Antropic have a big problem. And obviously, this is a big bug from Antropic server side, because they can't keep a session looping infinity until it use all my tokens. Because right now I have to work, and my only solution is pay more money to Antropic to use money instead of my usage of my plan until the money, because I need work. Okay, I can work myself, but if I don't use Cloud, something I do in 2 days with Cloud should take me maybe 3 hours. So yes, this is what actually happens. And if you are getting this issue of Cloud using all your tokens and you're literally not using it, probably the issue is here on Cloud Code. Go here, and I recommend you delete all your authorization tokens, and also click here on delete and delete the storage sessions, and they will say they will remove in 24 hours. So that's it. And here you can click here and revoke access. This actually is just the access of you when you open a console in Cloud. Like you write Cloud in a folder, and they open like the session in that folder. That's it. This is similar to when you have a chat here on the left side. I hope if you're having this issue, you find. I hope this is the fix. I can't tell you if this is the fix or no, because right now I am 0, because this shit eat all my tokens in literally. Listen, today is Wednesday, okay? Literally, it used all my tokens since the Monday to Wednesday in plan 5x. This shit ate all my usage, even in Fable. Okay, so that's it. Good luck and fuck Antropic. Right now, I should cancel my subscription until this get fixed, and obviously I will wait Antropic do any, unless they have to compensate this, because this is not my fault. It's not my fault. Their server size copies keep looping. Instead, stop thinking after something failed. So that's it. Bye bye.